Here at Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about the breathtaking, timeless engineered wood flooring range. Each of the 5 decors available have been designed to enhance the natural characteristics of the 5mm real wood top layer, ranging from the simple oak lacquered to the vibrant hand-scraped brandy. The timeless range is dripping with character. At 18mm thick, with a 5mm real wood top layer, the timeless range offers class-leading comfort underfoot and is superb for retaining heat and reducing sound. It is compatible with underfloor heating systems, and the tongue and groove fitting system makes laying an absolute dream. Engage the long joint, and using a tapping block, tap the board up until it's fully engaged. You may wish to tap up the long joint too to ensure a seamless finish. Experience the beauty of outdoors inside your home with the timeless range. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.